Hello everyone. So if you are seeing the Xbox Error E208 during startup or update, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026. Now this particular error usually appears on the startup troubleshoot screen. So you need to select the restart this Xbox and let it reboot normally. Now sometimes the error is temporary and resolves after a restart. Wait for the console to fully load before testing it again. Now, if restart doesn't work, you can reset your console without deleting the data. From the troubleshoot menu, you just have to select the option of reset this Xbox. After that, you just have to basically select the option of keep the games and the applications. This is going to reinstall the system files while keeping your installed content. So wait for the process to complete and console to restart. Now corrupted system updates can also cause this E208 error. So you need to download the offline update file on a USB drive from another device, and then you need to plug it into your Xbox. After that, you need to go to troubleshoot option. Inside troubleshoot, you will see the option of offline system update. So after selecting this particular option, simply follow further on-screen steps in order to reinstall the system update. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.